The new R5 M-Series XD Wheel-to-Wheel Nerf step bars from Weston provide an attractive and functional step that's perfect for someone looking for a lower step surface. They maintain all the premium features of Weston's original R5 M-Series, including the extra-wide 5-inch skid-resistant step pads, a third step for easier cargo bed access, and the optional light kit for better vision in inclement weather or darkness. With these steps, you are getting easier vehicle access because Weston dropped the actual step surface 3 inches lower to the ground, so you get easier access without sacrificing ground clearance. The R5 M-Series XD provides a long-lasting and stylish upgrade to your truck or SUV. They're available in polished stainless steel or a textured black finish. Another great thing about these steps is that they're easy to install. The R5 M-Series XD includes Weston's exclusive isolator brackets and mounting kit, which provides added support and virtually eliminates annoying creaking sounds. They mount directly to the vehicle's rocker panels, and the included injection-molded bracket covers make for a clean, OE look. The unique patented modular design you see here also saves on shipping costs, eliminating expensive truck freight requirements. The R5 M-Series XD Wheel-to-Wheel Nerf bars from Weston are backed with a 3-year warranty.